all you need to know about mandala art. First question: what materials do you need? Fine drawing pens, pencil, compass, ruler, protractor. Second question: how to trace a mandala grid? First, find the center of your paper. Second, trace random circles around the center. Third step, trace grid lines that are equally separated. First option, trace lines every 45 degrees. Second option, trace lines every 30 degrees. Third option, trace lines every 15 degrees. Fourth option, trace lines every 20 degrees. And last option, trace lines every 10 degrees. Third question, what are the basic shapes of a mandala? Regular petal, leaf, long arc petal, arc petal, arc, triangle, pointed petal, lines and dots, lines and circles, teardrop, double pointed teardrop, teardrop petal, spirals, and swirl. Fourth question, what is a mandala pattern? The mandala pattern is an addition of many basic shapes. One basic shape plus another basic shape equals pattern. Fifth question, how to draw a mandala? First example, how to fill a mandala grid with lines separated by 10 degrees. Second example, how to fill a mandala grid with lines separated by 20 degrees. Third example, how to fill a mandala grid with lines separated by 45 degrees.